What's going on, guys? Good40 Brothers here for another video, and today we're in the garage. It's a rainy day, but we figure we might as well do an E55 update.
We it rains like all our videos.
Well, usually when it rains, we got nothing to do, so that's when we get time to film videos. But for those that don't follow us on Instagram, we just hit 412,000 miles on the E55.
That's pretty exciting.
It's pretty exciting, yeah. You guys should follow us on Instagram because everybody else saw that like a couple days ago. But
yeah, you guys are seeing it now.
You guys are seeing it now, but so we figured why not do a little update on E55. We haven't done one. It's been a while.
I don't remember where our last one was, but so basically, yeah, like Nick said, we got 412,000 miles on it. We haven't done anything to the car in the past few thousand miles. We changed the oil at I think it was 409 even. And we haven't put nothing into it, so that's pretty exciting. That's the longest we went without putting money into it.
Yeah.
So it's kind of nice. But unfortunately, for those of you who follow us on Instagram, you know that we ran into some troubles with this the other day.
Yeah, like 40 miles after breaking 412.
Yeah, and so basically what happened was, we drove the car in the morning. It was kind of cold. It was like, what, maybe 38 degrees, cold, rainy day. Yeah, it was cold, rainy. We drove it in the morning.
Drove fine.
And drove fine, parked it, and sat outside all day because we were doing stuff in the garage and, you know, couldn't have the cars in. And then in the evening, when I went to go drive it again, I started it up.
Let it warm up in the driveway, you know?
Let it warm up for about, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes. Yeah. And then all of a sudden, it started idling like up and down, like you just hear the engine didn't sound right. I was like, what the heck's going on? So I went in there, looked, and the ESP malfunction light came on, and
it went in lit mode.
The car went in lit mode. I couldn't drive it, and I was like, what the heck? So I left it there
for like an hour.
We left it there for like an hour, yeah. And then I went back out and like, okay, we'll try it again. Started it. And it started up perfectly fine, and the light wasn't on anymore, and we took the car for a test drive around the neighborhood, and it rode perfectly fine, so we didn't really know what the heck happened there. And so basically we hooked up our scanner tool that, what is it, MB car to, what is that car?
Mercedes tool.
iCarSoft.
We'll show them in a second.
Yeah, we'll show you in a second. So I hooked it up, checked for some codes, and we had a couple things. One of them was the secondary air injection system thing. That's been a problem for a while. That's been a problem for a while. I think the pump's bad, but we're not gonna change it. It's not really worth it. And then there's a couple other ones that I can't really think what they were.
We had more codes than we do miles. It was crazy.
Yeah, with all different codes, and some people were saying maybe the cold weather did something to the car and, you know, caused it to act up. We don't really know, but
we drove it yesterday. The car drove perfectly fine. No more lights, no nothing. I mean, we got on it, nothing.
Well, the check engine light came back on for the secondary air pump, but as far as like the check engine light goes, none of the other lights that came on, I can't think of what the heck they were.
It doesn't matter.
I'll show you. I'll put pictures of them. I took pictures on my phone. I'll put them here on the screen so you can see what they were. A couple people talked about they were like problems to do with like the fuel. I think it said the fuel or something. Fuel
bank one stuff.
Yeah, it's a couple weird things. We don't really know a whole lot about that kind of stuff. So that's why we always ask people for you know, their advice. And yeah, so we drove the car yesterday and then nothing happened this time. I mean, it drove perfectly fine. It's kind of odd. I don't really know what the heck was going on, but a couple people said there might be an exhaust leak, or I don't really know, but I don't know. It kind of scares us a little bit because the car wasn't moving.
Let's drive fine now. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the car.
Yeah. You know, I should probably grab that scanner to show them.
This is probably one of the few times the car's actually dirty.
Oh, it's a mess.
You can see not E55, that's the E55. The E550 is nice and tucked under the cover right now. It does need, we need to take that in to get serviced. It needs oil change and a coolant flush. But other than that, it's not driving it. The E55, it's dirty. We drove it in the, well, like I said, it sat in the rain. And
this is the scanner tool that we use. We bought this at FCP Euro. Yeah, but you can probably buy it anywhere it sells, like, you know, foreign car stuff. And this one's specifically designed just for Mercedes. And it's worth every single penny. So
not a plug, but you know.
It's not a plug, but if you have a Mercedes, you don't have one of these tools, what are you doing?
Yeah, but you know what's the best thing too? It also works as a OB2 scanner.
OB2, yeah. So basically.
Yeah, this week we did what on a Cadillac for our grandpa and our uncle's Infinity.
Yeah, so the OBD2 function works on any car, but then it has like the special stuff for Mercedes. So if you don't have one of these already, definitely get one. It's 150 bucks. It's the best investment. It pays for itself the first time your light comes on.
Yeah.
And when you have a car like this with a lot of miles, it comes on regularly.
Yeah.
Go ahead, put that back in there. We just leave that in here because
you guys can follow us $40.
It's used the most on this.
I'll show you guys the miles.
Tear's kind of dirty too. Oh man.
Let's see, just so no one out there they say, oh, you guys are faking it. What else? Oh, these are, remember these videos? I don't know if we made a video on these, $42 floor mats.
Oh, went up pretty nice.
Oh, they're dirty right now. This car is extremely dirty.
Yeah, it's pretty cheap. We're pretty cheap floor mats, but you know what? They do the job.
Yeah, they do what they need to do. But, oh geez.
It's cold over here.
So that looks good.
Yeah, it don't look good. Look how dirty it is.
It's dirty, but.
Yeah, but nonetheless, basically the only reason why we are filming this video is we want to tell you guys 412,000 miles, that's exciting, but we got a couple speed bumps here. We have to figure out what those are.
That's pretty much it.
I'm trying to think what else.
Cheap tires are doing good so far.
We'll put pictures of the what those codes are on the screen, so if anyone knows what they are, they can let us know in the comments. And once we get the problems figured out, we'll let you know, probably in another updated video. But yeah, that's basically it.
So let's go. Right, might as well go ahead and close the video. All right, so
yeah, not a whole lot.
Like I said, quick little update. We haven't done one in a while. E55, 412,000 miles, running pretty good. Except for those speed bumps.
Lights. I think, I don't.
Well, I mean, it is Christmas. Maybe the car just says, hey, it's Christmas. Let's light up
the problem, this car is from California. It's used to that like nice warm weather all the time. It comes
Pittsburgh here, your weather's
it's like
garbage.
30 degrees over here all winter and stuff.
You guys remember last year, every time we tried to film a video yesterday, we're like, we're freezing, it's 10 degrees. But anyway, quick little video. Hope you guys liked it. Matt's gonna put the things, if you already know, in the pictures of the codes. If you guys give us any help, they're not on yet. I mean, they're not anymore, but put them down in the comments.
Well, all the specific ones,
they're still there.
They're still there.
The check engine light ones.
The check engine light, it's only showing one now. It's for the secondary air system, but the other ones, I forget what they were top of my head, but
it doesn't matter. You guys already saw it in the pictures by now. So help us in the comments and leave some likes, some shares, do whatever you want.
Help us get to 1,000.
Help us get to 1,000. We're pretty close to it. We've been saying it for a while, and then when we hit 1,000, we'll probably change the background music that you guys are tired of hearing. Until next time, leave the negative comments on Bill's channel.
Yeah, it gets to 1,000, we'll buy another car too.
And we'll buy another car. Until then, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.